Setting up a company in Vietnam is often presented as a fast and straightforward process. Online, you may see promises of low-cost, quick registration services. But the reality is very different. Company setup in Vietnam is not just about getting a license. It is about building a legally compliant and operational business from day one. And this is where many foreign investors underestimate the risk. Legal risk in Vietnam does not always appear immediately. Your company may be registered successfully. You may even start operating. But hidden issues can surface later. Incorrect business lines, missing sub-licenses, improper ownership structure, or non-compliant internal documentation. These risks can lead to penalties, operational suspension, or disputes. A risk-free company setup in Vietnam starts with choosing the correct structure. Foreign investors typically consider a wholly foreign-owned company or a joint venture. But the decision should not be based on convenience alone. It must reflect regulatory conditions, industry restrictions, and your long-term control strategy. A poorly chosen structure can limit your rights or create compliance challenges later. Not all industries in Vietnam are fully open to foreign investors. Some sectors have foreign ownership limits. Others require specific approvals or conditions. Understanding Vietnam's market access commitments is critical. Because entering a restricted sector without proper structuring can expose your investment to legal uncertainty. One of the most overlooked risks is business scope. In Vietnam, your registered business lines determine what you are legally allowed to do. If your actual operations fall outside this scope, you may face compliance issues. Or be required to amend your license later, which can be time-consuming. Getting this right from the beginning is essential. Company registration alone does not make your business operational. Many industries require additional licenses in Vietnam: trading licenses, sector-specific permits, operational approvals. Missing even one required license can prevent your business from functioning legally. A complete licensing roadmap is necessary before you begin operations. Ownership is not just about holding shares. It is about legal control. Some foreign investors attempt to bypass restrictions through nominee structures, but this introduces significant legal risks. Vietnam law recognizes the registered shareholder as the legal owner. Without proper structuring, your control may not be enforceable. After setup, compliance becomes an ongoing obligation. This includes tax registration and reporting, accounting systems aligned with Vietnamese standards, labor compliance, including employment contracts and internal regulations, work permits for foreign employees. These elements are critical to maintaining a legally operational company in Vietnam. Many businesses rely on standard templates for contracts. But in Vietnam, enforceability depends on how documents are structured under local law. Shareholder agreements, commercial contracts, non-disclosure agreements, non-compete agreements. These must be carefully drafted to ensure they are valid and enforceable in practice. Trying to reduce costs during company setup can create bigger problems later. Cheap services often focus only on registration. They do not address compliance, licensing, or risk management. As a result, foreign investors may face delays, penalties, or even business disruption. In some cases, restructuring becomes more expensive than doing it correctly from the start. A legally sound company setup in Vietnam requires more than paperwork. It requires strategic planning, accurate legal structuring, full compliance with licensing requirements, and ongoing legal support. This is not about avoiding all risk. It is about identifying, managing, and minimizing risk from the beginning. Vietnam offers real opportunities for foreign investors, but success depends on how your business is structured and operated. With the right legal approach, you can avoid common pitfalls and build with confidence. Visit lts.com.vn to learn how LTS law supports foreign investors in setting up and operating companies in Vietnam without unnecessary legal risk.